What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Panchos Garage. Today gonna work on the exterior of this thing. Just got the paint correction done on this car, and man, homeboy did a really good job on it. The car is shining, no more little scratches all over the place. The paint itself does have a couple flaws, but you know what, at this point it is what it is, and I'm gonna just roll with it. But yeah, so I figured since the outside of the car is looking pretty decent now, I figure we can start putting little side markers, maybe the wipers, a little chrome that goes here, the badge there, some bumpers, some tail lights, just to complete the look of the car, to see to make it look more like a car, more like a complete Z instead of a half painted shell. But anyways, that's the plan. Let's see how far we get into it, and yeah, so let's go from there. Alright, so that's pretty much it for what I'm doing today. So to summarize, I don't know if I filmed it or not, but I got the antenna in, fill that hole, got the little emblems on both sides, door lock in the rear, I got the tail lights in, the panels are just on there, they're not necessarily bolted down. I still got to find the hardware that goes between there, but it's on there like that so you can get an idea what it looks like. I did all the side markers in the front and the rear. We go here, there's that one, there's this guy, side marker there, same thing on the other side. I wanted to put the valence and the bumpers in, but it's getting pretty late, so I figured just for a little quickie afternoon, I think that's good enough. I really like the way the taillights came out. They look good. And then side markers, you know, just the little emblems, just the car's coming together. It's actually looking more like a car now. But yeah, so wiring wise, I'm waiting on a couple little bits connectors. I'm planning out all the relays, fuses and stuff like that. I'll show you guys over here on the ITBs since I took them off the car. Problem with the ITBs is right now they're upside down, but right here, so this is your intake ports, so literally right here you have your exhaust. So these guys would dangle right on top of the exhaust. So I needed to figure out a way to pull these guys away as much as possible from the exhaust. So with these little clamps right here, it's gonna pull them that way. I'm still gonna wrap these, and then on top of that, the little heat shield thing fits right on top of here. So hopefully with all that, we'll avoid any melting of anything. But yeah, we already got that situated. I got all the sensors, all the injectors all wired in. So the harness is there. I'm gonna drop it into the car pretty soon, and then I'm not gonna wrap it yet until I make sure everything runs and works. But yeah, so that's ready. Just gotta start chugging at it. But anyways, I think that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. See if I can give you guys another update pretty soon on this one. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.